What's going on, guys? Zeno here, and today I'm going to be doing a showcase / battle. So I'm going to be showcasing off this driver I made. I think the tip already worn down from me testing it, but I'm going to call it gyrate for right now. So the point of it is just, the black part's supposed to be free spinning, but it kind of way too tight in there, so it won't move at all. So I guess it turned into a stamina / defense driver. So today I'm going to be doing a battle. First to 5 points win is going to be Hero versus Drahken. Hero is very, very strong, so I want to see how well it does with this new driver I made for Drahken. So let's get to the battles. Round 1. Hero's going in. Drahken's doing some very nice hits. And Hero takes that. Okay, round 2. Ooh, and that was a knockout. Oh, and was almost a burst. But Drahken takes that point. Round 3. Wait, what? Hero, okay. I guess Hero burst, so that's 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Drahken takes that. Hero. So it's 4, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Drahken KO'd itself. 3, 2, 1. Hero is doing some nice damage. So is Drahken. Hero takes that point. 2 to 4. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Hero's doing some really hard damage. Hero takes that point. Alright, so it's, I think, 4 to 4. So, person, this is game point. 3, 2, 1. And Drahken gets stuck on the launcher. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, there we go. Who's gonna win? Will it be Drahken or will it be Hero? Drahken takes the last point and Drahken wins. That was a really cool battle. So now I'm gonna do Drahken and Hero versus, let's see what I have here. This old beyblade I have here. I made it a while ago, and it kind of was my partner at first until I came up with Drahken in the channel. So this is Plague Finrear. I'm gonna stock it with the Jolt Dash and 10. So Hero and Drahken has to try to defeat this. So first up will be Drahken. 3, 2, 1. Draken is going after Finrear. Some really hard hits, but Draken's managed to take that. Okay, next up will be Hero. So 3, 2, 1. Hero's in. Finrear's in. Ooh, really, really hard hit. And a burst finish. Goes to Hero. That was so cool. So I'm going to make a stamina type with, let's see what I can do. Stamina type. So I'm going to do Grand Valkyrie with the Retsu. Wait, maybe not. Here it is. Okay. Grand Valkyrie with Zen, not Zen. Yeah, Zen. Double O Edge with Glaive. Okay. Probably not the best stamina type combo. Probably could do better, but let's see how well it goes. First up is Drahken. Draken's going around. Coming in for the attack. Some really nice hits. And Drahken wins with spin out. Next up is Hero. Knowing Hero is probably going to dominate. Hero's in as a KO. Alright, so the final round before I leave this video, end this video, is going to be versus, I gotta switch it. So it's going to be versus the Royal King himself. Drahken had some hard times fighting him. So let's see if Hero can beat him as well. First up, Drahken. Some really, really hard hits. I don't know if that was a KO first, or I'm just going to call it and say that Drahken won. So round 2. And got stuck on the laundry yet again. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Couldn't stand a chance. And the KO. Spin out. Okay, next up is Hero's turn to go into the ring. Will Hero be able to win, or will Spriggan strike him down? Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm still kind of getting used to not being so awkward when recording. So, I think Hero took that. So, next round. And the burst stopper was out. Not going to count that one because it's surprising. Spriggan did come in late. So, next round. Keep forgetting that the burst stoppers are out. Okay, so last round. Ooh, Hero takes that point. Okay, next round. Drahken, and he's doing some really nice damage. The reboot has kicked in. But Drahken takes that. Alright, so Hero versus Drahken was a really nice battle. I say though that both Drahken and I've been saying Drahken. Hero and Drahken was a very nice battle. I say they both win in a way for design, strength, and the power between them. They're both very good Beyblades, but Drahken might get an upgrade because, as you can see, probably not, right here is getting scratched up, and I'm probably gonna have to print another one. So all this black, if you see all this black stuff that's in the ring, I think that's from Drahken. But yeah, so I'm going to end the video here. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Zeno signing out, and have a fantastic day.